Since Frostwave wanted me to record some video clips of Oman, as well as a sandstorm that rolls into the map, I'm doing so right here. So as you can see in the distance, almost like a big hurricane that's rolling into a town, you can see this big massive cloud in the distance. And it just looks ominous, because you can see the blue skies, you can see how everything looks, but again, this cloud is slowly but surely rolling in and moving closer. It looks pretty eerie. Now here's another shot. As you can see, the alarms are actually starting to go off. So at that point, it's best to find a good sniper position, find a good spot where you're going to be taking out tanks and whatever else on the ground, because once the storm comes in, you will not see anything. It's very hard to see, and you'll see that in just a moment. But that cloud starts moving closer and closer, and it looks pretty scary. And eventually, yes, as you can see, the cloud starts getting really close, and just momentously, in just a moment, you'll see this thing just take over the entire map. And as I mentioned before, it is extremely hard to see now. Everything is just dust and debris and sand just flying all over, but everything is just massively covered. You can't see off in the distance, you can't see each individual area. It's just all blocked off. Now, as far as what the destructive levolution is on this map, it's these IEDs on the ground. Remotely charge them almost like you can on the railway. So, it doesn't leave a massive crater, but the black dust amongst the sand is actually pretty blinding. One last thing I wanted to show you is, yes, on the map there are basically bulldozers, and you can lift the bulldozer front, so if you're carrying someone on front, you can actually get a good sniper position off this thing.